All right, the first place that I like to begin, of course, is inside of Google. The first words that I'll type in are Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner is the free tool that Google allows you to find keywords, their competitiveness, relevancy towards you and your website. If you have at all any Gmail accounts, a YouTube account, then you do probably have one of these as well. What I could suggest is you just simply click sign in. It's going to bring you to AdWords. You're going to want to go back to this page and then click on Start Using Keyword Planner. The other way that you can actually get to this is underneath the Tools tab, which you'll see in just a moment once it loads up. Hopefully it loads up. Sometimes a little bit of patience for everything. So now that it's loaded up, you're going to see that there's a few options that you can go through. Like I said, it's under Tools tab, but you're probably going to be one searching for new keywords because the volume data is in groups. So it's going to be 0 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 100,000, or I think it's 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000. So they're large groups. You don't know the exact search volume. So what we're going to be using as a tool later on, I'm going to show you a couple that you can use, and that will get you in the mode of being able to do research properly. That's what this is all about, is not only getting the keywords that are relevant, but also being able to kind of group everything together so you can find relevancy, search volume, and the keyword competitiveness, so you know really what's the juiciest, biggest low-hanging fruit that you can go after. So what I'm going to do is, personally, I choose not to insert landing pages. The only time I'll do that is if I'm starting from scratch and I want to look at a direct competitor, what types of keywords do they use, and I'll start from there, and then I'll personally insert a few of those keywords into your product or service right there. So the landing page, most of the times that I use it, it's actually for an inner page that allows me to look at how a specific blog article or landing page, not just the website, yoururl.com, but it's yoururl.com/blog/ this cool article that talks about how to do these 10 things. And then you get the keywords about those 10 things that they're talking about. So that's when I use that portion. Otherwise, you can skip it. If you know a few keywords being any words that people type into the Google search engine to find you or similar services. For me, I run SEO companies inside of Tampa, Florida. So I'll do local, SEO Tampa, Florida, SEO Tampa. As you can see here, the targeting is different. It's placed at UK currently. I want to remove that, put in USA, click add. Whoops. And you have to click save. That was one thing I did not do. Save, there you go. All languages, I don't want every language. I actually just want English. So I'm going to click that, save, searching Google, because we don't want their partner networks. And rather than me explaining all the partner networks that come and go, you could actually go to one of their pages and find all the current partner networks that they go with, Facebook, Instagram, things like that. So we'll just get Google, just so we know what their search volume is and their competition. All right, so here's the grouping that I talked about, 1,000 to 10,000 a month. That's just letting you know that it's somewhere in between this range. I know personally that it's somewhere around 1,200 to 1,300 searches a month, but it could be on the high end. It could be as much as 9,999 searches a month, and that's why it's within that range. Or it could be 1,001 searches a month, and that's why it's within that range. So there's a large portion that they don't talk about. We're going to use tools to discover the volumes. Right now, we want Keyword Planner to discover what is relevant to us. And then we're going to take that, find the keyword competition, find the search volumes, be able to get those ideas much more concrete then. So what I do is I just enter in a few keywords and then I say, guess what? I'm going to download them all. And then I'm going to show you inside the next lecture how you can actually take these keywords and sort them in about the course of about 15-20 minutes. So it's a very quick process, as you'll see. And really by the sorting, I mean the front end, which is sorting through the relevant keywords. Then we'll put them into a software, getting that back out and sorting them on keyword competitiveness takes a few minutes as well. So it's a very fast process. Like I say, it can really make you a lot of money because you can get a lot of keyword research done with these tools in what takes normal people hours or months to even figure out, and you can do it in just a few clicks. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now.